Hey guys, John here of Vaporoni Technologies. Today we're going to talk a little bit about how to trade up your machine. So let's say if you use this machine for a year or 2 years or 6 months or 6 weeks and you're ready to go up to excuse me, a bigger, badder version of what you have. Maybe you've run out of size, maybe you've run out of capacity, maybe you took in more work, so on and so forth, whatever. You want to trade up to the biggest, baddest version. All you have to do is call into the sales department and ask them to work up an invoice for the new product that you're looking for, and then they will apply your credit of the machine that you've originally purchased into the new product. So you'll basically pay the difference. So for example, if you paid $1,000 for a micro and you wanted to buy an 800 base or an 800 FL and it costs $6,000 or $7,000, what we would do is we would take that $1,000 credit and deduct it from the larger amount, and then you're left with the difference. And that's all there is to the program. There's no catch. There's nothing that we're requiring you to do. The only thing we do want to make sure of is that you have not modified the cabinet beyond what it was originally intended to do and the way it was intended to be set up. So if you've drilled holes and butchered things up and major changes, we're not going to give you full credit on something like that. Depending on how severe it is, we will have to look at that at a case-by-case basis. But if you've not touched the machine, you've just used it, we will take it back and give you full credit to the newer product. And one of the stipulations that we have is that you send the machine, or you show proof that the machine has shipped back to us, and then we will ship your new product to you. And that's the only stipulation we have, so that you're only down maybe a day or two max. And we try to be very mindful of that, specifically of all of you guys that have small businesses or medium-sized businesses or large businesses that need to use this product. So we're here to help you though. We're here to help you grow. Hands down the best program in the world. I do not know of any other company in the world that does this same thing. And if they do, they're going to take money away, from your original trade up or your original purchase. But that's not what we're here for. We're here to grow your business and to help you be successful. So if you guys have questions, give the sales team a call, shoot them an email. They're always here and happy to help. As always, thanks for watching.